Hi, this is Dave from Clever Rain Technologies. In this video we're going to do a very quick creation of a droplet and creation of a rule and show you how quick it is to get Droplet going once you've integrated with the Droplet engine. This is all about getting started. So let's log into the admin panel. That's at admin.cleverrain.com. The first thing that we're going to do is create a new design. So let's drop over to the design home and create a new droplet. This droplet we're going to call new droplet. And we're going to give it the new droplet description. And we need to have a template, and we don't have a template design for it, but we're going to do one very quickly. So we're going to create a new design, and very quickly we're going to change that form title to new droplet and update the title. Click outside to get that updated. Let's change the form background, and we're going to change that to a color. Let's make it kind of a bluish color. That looks good. OK. And click outside to save that. And now let's create a quick form border that's also a little darker blue. Actually, let's make it even towards a black color. And we need to set a border width. We're going to set it a border width of 1 and update that. You'll see a border now exists. And let's add an image. Now I had an image earlier that I had placed into our image library, so let's pull that image up right now. To configure it, we're going to pull this beautiful tropical flower image on, and now we have that centered in our screen. And let's add a label in below the image. We edit that label, and it's going to be, how do you like our flowers? We'd love to hear from you. And we'll make that text larger and update. Great. Now let's add in a multi-line text box below that for some comments. We'll edit that, and we're just going to change the text that normally shows up to comment. And just like before, we're going to make that a little bit larger and update it. Now we have our new droplet with a flower. How do you like our flowers? We'd love to hear from you. And a comment. This has a submit button. So let's take that submit button. Instead of having it in the right, let's put it in the center and update that. So now that submit button is centered, and we're going to save our design. We're going to call this new design new droplet design and save it. Okay, we've already saved. Do you want to continue to the design? No. Now it's been added to our droplet, so we're getting close. We have a design. We're going to choose to not email on submit, and we're going to say that we have a fade in effect that's going to be 3 seconds, and we're going to put that right in the center of the screen and save that. And now you'll see that we have a new droplet called new droplet, and that's that. Now let's create the rule very quickly for that new droplet. We go in, we create the new droplet rule. We're going to enable the rule, set the start date today and the stop date tomorrow. We're going to select the new droplet that we just created. Now the place that we want this to show up on the droplet text site, I've already pulled up. It's called the Unreal Tournament, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that URL, copy it from the other tab, and place that right into this area and say show it on this page, and then Droplet shows you the page that it's going to be on. And we're not going to do anything else. We're just going to keep offering on that page, and we're going to save. Now check this out. Droplet's ready to run. We go back to this page, and boom, Droplet comes in and it presents. Fantastic. So in a very short period of time, you were able to create a new droplet, create a new rule, and get that rule to display on your site. Thank you very much.